Welcome. In front of me I have OPPO A54 5G, and today I'll show you how you can remove tempered glass from your display in the smartphone. So I'll just take off this back case, and I can recommend you to start from one of the edge. For example, we can start from the bottom edge. We have to put our fingernail under this tempered glass, just like that, and we have to move it to the right edge. Put here second finger, and we can easily lift that glass. Remember to do it slowly and don't break glass. And as you can see, after a few moments we get rid of that glass and we can use our smartphone without. We can exchange for a new one or just stay with this foil that is factory installed on this smartphone. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.